it seems that you have lots of control over the MLAs of other parties. Since June, you have poached 3 MLAs, elected MLAs, 2 from Congress, 1 from AUDF. And this is not that you have done something in Assam. Your party has been doing that everywhere in India.
Kaushik,
Now,
have you the guts to pose the same question to Chief Minister of Bengal?
obviously, I would put.
Please do that, then I'll answer.
But first, tell me this: that
When Chief Minister of Bengal posed BJP MLA, you kind of people tell the world, look, she is doing so great things. She is posing BJP.
Two wrongs.
So when 1 or 2 Congress MLA comes to me, who are my old colleagues, then you put question on us.
But it seems BJP doesn't have enough talent that they keep poaching everywhere in India.
No, but I think you should pose that question to Congress party when they pose MLA, when they were in power. Today you should pose that question to Mamata Banerjee, because I have always seen that when somebody defected to BJP, you said, look, he's a defecting. Somebody is pushing criminal case against them. That is why they are coming, they have been forced to join BJP. And when somebody joined Mamata, look, she is becoming an SNL alternative. People are joining Mamata. So what kind of this dichotomy? I think you at media has to resolve many of dichotomy, develop a code of conduct that what kind of things is allowed for politician, what kind of thing is not allowed for politician. When there is a violence in Bengal, you will say, no, these are natural retaliation. And when something happens in Assam with the complete mandate within the law, you will say, look, there is a discrimination.
India Today group never said that.
I'm talking generally. I'm not talking to India Today as such. I'm talking generally what we used to see from Guwahati, because we do not come to Delhi often. But when we see news, television, talk show, we only used to see all these things.
Okay, I'd like to give you some credit also, that since you took charge, beyond conflicts with neighbors and cow protection and all that, you also have launched a massive drive against drugs. And our India Today magazine's cover story this time is also on drugs. You have arrested 2,000 smugglers in your first 100 days. Then in another drive, it's not related to drugs, but you have arrested 500 land brokers on a single day. And you are going to digitize all the revenue transactions in Assam. Now, are these only honeymoon period gimmicks, or you will continue the execution in a sustained phased manner?
Look, Kaushik, if you see from Assam perspective, in last 4 months, we are basically going heavily against the drugs peddlers. Our recovery of per day drugs recovery is almost 2 crores per day. We are seizing those kind of drugs. We have burned rhino horn. We are digitalizing land record. We are investing, we have signed to important peace accord with our tribal people. We have initiate many things where people can get their own services from the government on technology. We are heavily investing on capital intensive projects. We are getting various projects from central government. So Assam is on a road of development. Public is extremely happy, people are extremely happy, and we owe it to people of Assam. We do not believe in honeymoon. We believe in stability, we believe in sustainability, and I am sure that at the end of these 5 years, Assam will be among the kind of top states of India. That is my dream, and I am sure that that will happen.